McDonald's, forget about it. Tim Hortons, forget about it. Pizza Hut over there, forget about it. Dairy Queen, forget about it.
Yeah, thank you.
You guys are gone. You guys are out there getting a little tip of this place is actually really good. They apparently already have a video up. I'm gonna see if I can find it. I'll try and post a link. I think this should be a little hard. Yeah, I know it's only frozen fries. Well, decent enough. But that's not what you're here for. Oh, this thing's massive. Look how big this thing is. I mean, this is 250 ml can. And this is easily twice the size of it. Oh. Easier if I have my mask off too. That was pretty good. This is a major meal on itself. Probably don't even need the freaking fries. There's a small salad inside here already. And this is easily, I'd say this would probably have been like a 3/4 of a pound. Yeah, French fries are just frozen French fries, no big deal. Pretty good though. They're very lightly fried. Not greasy at all. I don't think I can finish this in one go. Hopefully I find that video of those guys because this was so worth it. I mean, I've got maybe half the shawarma left. I finished the fries. I've still got the drink in here. And I'm full. The value behind that was incredible. That huge shawarma comboed with fries and a drink was just $11.30. Absolutely incredible. So if you ever get a chance, check that place out. Show them a little love, right? Come on, folks. Why are you going to McDonald's for when you have this amazing shawarma place just down the road there? Just past the DQ. It's not that much further. Come on. $11.30. $11.30. You can't beat that. You get a drink with it, you get fries with it, you get that big ass shawarma, and you really want to go to McDonald's? Come on, people. Wake up.